Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to set up work profile in your Android mobile device. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, what you can do, you need to visit on your setting area and you just need to simply click on setting, and once you're setting you need to just scroll down and you need to find like Google. Okay, and you just need to simply tap on Google option, and once you tap on this option like Google option, you will see this kind of options. Okay, and you just need to simply click on all services, and when you tap on all services you will see there are lots of options available. You just need to simply scroll down and scroll down, and you will see like option over here, like you will see you need to just simply scroll down, set up your work profile. Okay, and just simply tap on this option, and you just need to simply tap on next, and you will see allow option record over here, and now you can see scan or enter the code provided by your IT admin, and you can also enter it by manually. Also you can also enter this by manually, or you can also use your scanner code. Okay, so that's it. By using this method you can easily, you can say, set up your work profile in your Android device. Okay, so if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video my dear friends. Bye bye.